Okay, welcome back, student. This is Mr. Velez, and remember, we're doing part A and part B. This is video number 3, and remember that you can find that out on my website by clicking Mr. Velez and finding Mr. Velez Virtual Music Tech. Go to Chrome Music Lab and Songmaker Intro Lab, and then you're gonna have video 1, video 2, and a couple of examples. So we did A, we're doing B. Later we're gonna repeat A, and then we're gonna do a section C. So I'm gonna show you what I did with my section A, 4 bars, and 4 bars with a section B, that it must be different. And I set it up by going to the setting, adding 4 more extra bar or measure. Later I'm gonna add more to do part A. Remember to save your song at the top. When you click save, just gonna play what I did, and this is a different song. I like this idea. Who knows, maybe I'm gonna make a song out of this, I don't know. But remember to keep it simple. Whatever you're doing in the drum, repeat it on measure 2, 3, and 4 with some variation, and keep the theme. See, whatever you're doing, keep repeating with different notes and try to have a good idea. And then parts B must be different. Let's listen what I have so far. And then repeat part A. So as you can see, this is something that you can hum, that you can sing along, that you can put words. I'm not doing anything crazy. The drums at part B, I keep it just for bass drum, and one in every beat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So in one measure I have 4 bass drum 4, bass drum, and then I keep a little variation in the snare. And the melody, I came with this idea and try to copy in different beats, and then kept almost the same, and then a little variation at the end. Remember, C is red, that's your home. I'm starting in C and I'm trying to finish in C, or kind of, but get and leave some space, okay? So later we're gonna take, in video 4, we're gonna take a screenshot of this to copy section A and then make our C section. So see you then. Hope this was helpful. See you next time. Remember to like this video, leave some comment, and thank you. See you next time. Bye.